Welcome to ameriDroid's OGST gaming console case for the ODROID XU4 assembly tutorial. So a bit of what you're going to get with the package is the top and bottom case. You're going to get the LCD board. You're going to get a USB 2.0 cable, a USB 3.0 cable for connecting to 2.5-inch hard drives. You're going to get a 30-pin ribbon cable, a couple of caps, and some screws to hold it all together. It's also recommended to have a ODROID XU4 Q or a XU4, a SD card, and a screwdriver to assemble it all together. Next up, you're going to use Windows 32 Disk Imager, and we're going to write OGST to a micro SD card. Next up, once you have flashed your micro SD card, you're going to insert it into the XU4Q. Next up, we're going to take our LCD screen and ribbon cable and plug it into the back. And then we're going to take the other side of the ribbon cable and plug it into the XU4. Next up, starting with the case upside down, we're going to flip it over and insert it into the slots on the actual case. Next up, we're going to take our screwdriver and screw the board into the case. Next up, we're going to take the micro USB cable and plug it into the LCD screen as well as the USB ports on the XU4. If you're planning on attaching an external hard drive, you can go ahead and plug the cable in at this time. Next up, we're going to snap the case together and put the caps on. Next up, we're going to attach the HDMI cable as well as power. Also, you can apply Ethernet. You're going to do sudo apt-get update and sudo git upgrade and apt-get distro upgrade. Alright, after we are done running upgrades, we are going to go ahead and activate Setup ODROID GameStation Turbo, and then from there, activate Console Kit Support. Then we're going to open up our ROMs and copy the files over for our games. After that, open up Emulation Station. So we've got Mario Kart 64 in here. And the screen turns on as well.